Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Now that I've got two teenagers in the house that share a bathroom, it's getting a little crowded and cruddy in there. And that's why I'm thankful for this toothbrush holder from Boperzi. This toothbrush holder is not only beautiful to look at, but it also has plenty of space for them to put their toothbrushes, toothpaste, and a number of other items that either take up too much space in the drawers or get lost in all the chaos. This is lightweight, easy to clean, and comes in a number of different styles and colors for you to choose from. It was very easy to put together, and I love that all the little compartments are easy to rearrange so that you can fit all of the needs of your family. You could also use this holder in an office setting or by your kitchen sink to hold sponges and brushes. I was extremely impressed by its durability. Like I said, I now have two teenagers that are not always gentle and responsible with the items around my house, but this toothbrush holder has stood up to all of the abuse that my family has put it through, and it shows no signs of wear and tear. So if you're in the market for a toothbrush holder that's not only functional but durable and beautiful, then you are going to love this toothbrush holder from Boperzi. And that's my point of view.